Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A98 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't remember. So starting off, I'm going to lock my device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set as my screen lock, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So number one, we're going to hold our power button and we're going to select power off. It's power key and volume up. So then I'm going to select power off by swiping down. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. After you see the OPPO logo on the screen, let go of the power button, keep holding volume down. Select your desired language and then select Format Data. Now this will confront you with a code that you need to put in the keypad right here. So it generates a random code right here. It tells you to insert whatever four numbers. For me it's 9580. Now if I were to go back and reopen this, as you can see, it now changed. So it is randomly generated every time you navigate to here. So 44, 104. I'm going to select format. This will begin formatting and it's basically done. So let's select OK. It automatically reboots the device and continues the process in the background. So the device will be turning on for a little bit longer than you might be used to. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the process is finished, we will then be presented with the setup screen for our phone. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the device has now finished resetting itself and you can now set up your device however you want. Now that being said, there is one last thing that I'm going to mention. If you perform this method, chances are your device might become FRP locked, and what that means is when you're going through the setup process, you'll need to verify either your previously used Google account or the previously used screen lock. But I will be recording a video literally afterwards on how you can bypass this if you don't know either of those, and then also how to fully then remove it. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. A little bit of a shameless plug, but anyway. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.